I'm Pam Deblak from Negaunee High School, Negaunee, Michigan. And we loved having Mr. Peace in today for our assembly. The focus was on look at the heart, and our message in our peer-to-peer program is acceptance. And so it was such a good mesh. And the examples you gave were examples of differences that we see in people, not just disabilities, but across the board. All people are different, but we can accept all people. And I really felt like that message came through, that everybody is a miracle and has worth to be loved. And I thought that was awesome. And I feel like it had a great impact on our students. I saw kids engaged during the assembly. I saw kids coming in after the assembly, and I think it's going to be talked about in our classrooms after the assembly. So it was awesome.